Well, might as well check in with all the exciting and eventful things that happen while living in your van. Actual first time that we've ever been stranded due to a vehicle issue. And it's a little discouraging because we're literally 6 days from driving this thing 1,000 miles down to Florida. So turns out I stopped to get gas, jumped back in the van to move along my way, and it won't start. Just talking to some people that I know, looks like the fuel pump ended up failing. So the fuel pump's out, we're stranded, and we'll check back in. Oh, what a cold, blistery day. Oh, what a cheese. Well, Luna, you better be prepared to get towed.